What's up, everybody? How's it going? Wanted to give a little update on Castaic first. The Upper Lake has reopened. They had it closed there for 2 weeks due to that algae bloom. But yeah, got open in 2 weeks. Obviously, I haven't been up there in a few weeks. A lot of high wind too. But what I have here for you is this a outing during middle of summer. So a few months back, and it was a little bit of a tough time in the beginning here, but I wound up getting on a couple good ones. So check it out and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Good morning. At the Upper Lake, late morning again. Just dropped off my kids. Gonna look for some late boils. Might have to troll to find them, but I know they're active. The water level's up. Kong Island is almost completely disappeared. It's a little speck. What am I, about half a week after that hurricane that came through? So we're gonna try to find some fish out here. We've been finding those stripers, that's for sure. So might be the ticket for the day, but I'll see you guys out on the water. This new mega bass. I'm a walking meat. Yeah, so at this point, I'm back in Elizabeth Canyon, and there's literally bait everywhere and striper everywhere. I could see them all over the live scope moving around. So blow-ups are going on behind my back in the corners. I'm casting this topwater a lot. But, here, I finally grabbed the A-rig, and I'm covering water with the A-rig a bunch. And then after that, I wound up grabbing the fly here in a second. I'm just trolling all over the place. But I see so much bait that eventually here, I just grab the shad net and I try to get some shad. All right, so I was able to net a good scoop of shad, luckily. Just kind of stumbled upon some bait over there, and I got a good scoop. I got a couple big ones and a few small ones. I probably have like 10 to 15. So we're gonna drop down some shad on some main lake stuff and see what we can do here. All right, well, I got my little net. I got my little shad net here somewhere. Beauty. Look at that little fish tank net. Oh my God. Use this last year a little bit. Let's get a big one. Yeah, here's a big one that doesn't look like he's doing good. Let's get him and start off the fishing. Alright. It's a big one. Freaking big one. Freaking came off. Big freaking fish too. All right, he did. new one. Get a little lively guy. Oh yeah. What the hell is going on? Big one. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh baby, that's a good one. Oh yes. Oh yeah. That's a heavy one. Oh, let's go. Nice striker. Let's go. Let's go, baby. That's a nice one. All right. That's a good one. It's probably like a 4 or 5 pounder. A little live shad eater. All right. All right. Oh yeah, get a weight. Just a 3/8. Yeah, I thought that was way bigger. How's that only 3/8? Huh. Nice one. All right, big and on the live shot. I think it was just under 4. I thought way bigger. Might have to try weighing that one again, but that was a heavy fish. That was fun. He smashed a little shad there, and got a few more. I lost another big one, but all right, let's get at it. Oh. Last shad. Last shad. Last shad, we got one. Oh, oh, it's a beautiful smallmouth. Oh, baby. Ooh, let's go. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. Woohoo. Let's go. Heck yeah. Look at that football. Heck yeah. Oh, cool. Doesn't hook that in. Football season. Look at that guy. Oh, it's a beauty. Absolute beauty. Cricket Smalley. Woo-wee, that's Smalley. Man, I love Smallies. That was so fun. Just an alive shad, but that was the last one. Just the 2 fish today. And I probably had, what, 10 to 15 shad, and they just wouldn't bite them, and it was tough. But I got that nice striper too, so I'll take that. Just kind of saved the day. Got here real late too, 9:30 in the morning. So it's almost 1. So it's still a short session, but we're gonna head out. But hey, whatever we gotta do to salvage a couple fish like that, we gotta do it. Luckily I got that shad, but thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.